take my hand off.
Take your fucking head off.
He want to take a picture. Don't get too close. Don't touch him.
The booger gonna eat him.
Booger, that's a snack. Oh, he almost took off.
Yeah. He flew a little bit. Yeah, he did.
About 6 inches. Come on, little man. Hit. You can fly. You take a video?
Uh-huh.
Don't wait for the damn video. I'm gonna take a video too, just cuz. Take a video on the filmmaker out here. Look at the little guy.
I'm the crocodile hunter.
Back up, Nick. Don't let him touch you. Put him in the frying pan and eat him.
Oh yeah, church's chicken tonight.
You ain't never ate bird before, Nick?
Not
You
that
bird
kind of
every day.
Would have said we went to Wendy's. I should have went to KFC. I ate bird before. Jerome just ate his mama.
Oh crap! Don't throw rocks at the birds. The birds don't shoot. What would God say, Jerome? What would God say?
Well, them birds had a lot to eat out here, though. There's worms everywhere.
That's true.
Bugs.
You know what I'm saying? Next time I go fishing, I'm coming out here and digging a hole.
Bye-bye, little bird.
Don't touch 'em.